Seedance 2.5 is live, and everyone's calling it a game changer. But Seedance 2.0 is already the #1 AI video model in the world. And right now, you can run it unlimited in 4K. So the real question is 2.5 actually a big upgrade, or just a version bump? That's an official Seedance 2.5 example. And after going through everything, this is not a small upgrade. Let me prove it. Round by round, 2.5 versus 2.0, 5 rounds. By the end, you'll know exactly what's changing and how to lock in 14 days of unlimited access to both. First, real quick, if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. Quick setup so the comparison is fair. Seedance 2.0 is the current world #1, and it's what you can use today. The Presale gives you unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K right now. Seedance 2.5 arrives on Higgsfield in 7 days. So every 2.5 clip you'll see is an official example generation, not something I made myself yet. And here's the deal exactly. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K, then switch to Seedance 2.5 for the next 7 days. Lock it in once and you ride both models. Now, round 1. In 2.0, longer stories mean stitching. You generate clips and cut them together, and keeping everything consistent across cuts is the hard part. Seedance 2.5? Up to a 30-second continuous generation. One unbroken shot. Character, camera, lighting, scene structure holding from first frame to last. Watch this official example, showing on screen. 2.5, and it's not close. 2.0's reference system is already strong. That's how creators keep characters consistent.
Camel! Wisht! Gott! Wisht! Blade!
But 2.5 takes it to 50 inputs in a single pass. Images, clips, audio, style boards, prompts, mapped into the scene and held there. For character-driven stories and brand work, this is the consistency dream. Round 2. Seedance 2.0. Here's the pain every AI filmmaker knows. One detail is wrong, and in 2.0, your real option is regenerate and pray. Seedance 2.5 brings region-level editing. Change one object, one character detail, one region of the frame, without touching the rest of the video. Surgical, round 3, 2.5 by knockout. 2.0 already generates native audio. That's why. It's one of the reasons it's #1. 2.5 pushes it further. Audio generated in the same pass, tighter than ever. Dialogue, footsteps, ambience already sitting in the cut. Listen to this example. That sound came with the video. Round 4, 2.5. And the quiet one that changes everything. Roughly 20% better instruction following, with an upgraded encoder holding fine detail. Hair, text, small textures, across frames. Fewer re-rolls, more first-try keepers. Round 5, 2.5. That's a clean sweep. So, verdict. This is not a small upgrade. It's a different ceiling for AI video. But here's what makes the pre-sale smart, instead of just hype. You don't wait for any of it. Lock it in now, and you get unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K today. The reigning #1, in 4K, unlimited for 7 days. And the moment 2.5 drops, you automatically roll into 7 more unlimited days on the new king. This is a limited time, limited availability presale. 14 days of unlimited Seedance across both models, and the window is now. Links in the description. If AI video is your thing, this is the one to grab before everyone else catches up. That's Seedance 2.5 versus 2.0. 5 rounds, clean sweep, and 14 unlimited days waiting at the link below. Subscribe because the moment 2.5 is live, I'm putting it through its paces on this channel. And tell me in the comments, which round sold you? The 30-second shots, the 50 references, or region editing? Most interesting answer gets pinned. See you in the next one. That's Seedance 2.5 versus 2.0. 5 rounds, clean sweep, and 14 unlimited days waiting at the link below. Subscribe because the moment 2.5 is live, I'm putting it through its paces on this channel. And tell me in the comments, which round sold you? The 30-second shots, the 50 references, or region editing? Most interesting answer gets pinned. See you in the next one.